Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Toko Yoshinaga. Code ROE 505. Released on June 9, 2026. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about mother-in-law and her son-in-law. The guy was unhappy with his wife because his wife does not want to do playtime at night. So afterwards, the guy talked to his mother-in-law and asked her for a favor. To ease the guy's mind and condition, the guy wants to do playtime with her. At first, the mother hesitated, but later on, she eventually agreed. So afterwards, while they are at the living room, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.